All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin. All kinds of good stuff. Today we're going to be talking about Saitama Inu. We're going to go to their website, go to their Twitter account, check out what's going on. It could be a good ding, 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 good discount buy right this second. Also, they got new hoodies in white and all kinds of different things you can buy and stuff. Never went to that part of the website before, so we're going to check this out. Pretty good. And then also we're going to go to an article for people looking for side hustles, 4 side hustles that you can do that the article says can make $1,000 a week. So kind of interesting. We're going to kind of go to that. And don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on the channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand about cryptocurrency, and one day have a passive income possibly from cryptocurrency. So, all right, let's head over to Saitama Inu. So right here, it's actually Saitama 28.97. Take a look right here, 21% down in the last 7 days. Ding, 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 ding. 12% in the last 24 hours. Clicking it. So this could be that discount buy that you're looking for. In just the last 24 hours is down 10%. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros and a 1549. We'll come back for a price prediction. Here's what it's done in the last 24 hours. This is what it looks like in the last 7 days. And again, this is down about 20-some% right now. So what is going on with Saitama? Well, over at the Twitter account here, there's a lot of good things going on, actually. So the price may be down, but you don't want to, maybe don't pay attention to that right this second. So today, you can save the date, which is today. You can jump on join the AMA of our official YouTube channel about Saitama today. So that's going on. Saitama Inu, February 22nd at 4 o'clock today. You can get on and watch the YouTube. Also, take a look at this. Hello, Saitama Wolfpack. Here's a little update on the Wolfcast 1992 UI placeholder. The animation where the pack gets the magic scroll is not finished and does not belong there. We removed our enemies, and Tristan Cause, we're still finishing animation. So take a look at that. Yeah, Saitama, go, go, go. No more Inu, Saitama. Fantastic. There's the scroll. And then here's the part that I kind of like here. Check out our new white hoodies. And if you take a look here, here's the new arrivals. So, you know what? I was just thinking about this. If you are buying the coin, if you're holding the coin, you should sport yourself. Holding the coin, eat, sleep, hold, repeat. Again, Saitama, the most popular items. I mean, they got bags, they got backpacks. They got really, I mean, look at this shirt. That's actually a pretty cool shirt here. Right there, that's Saitama. Now, that's not bad. Men's t-shirt. Get your favorite tee in the super smooth, super comfortable, made from cotton polyester jersey that it won't fade away in the wash. Yeah, pretty cool. We got that Saitama going on. So just wanted to show you that. They got hats. They got hoodies, coffee cups. I like this future, the Foster the Future of Finance. It's kind of like a flag. That's kind of cool. A face mask. If you want yourself a mask, you can get a Saitama mask for $18. So just thought that was cool on the Saitama actual Twitter account. And then this one's big too. It says Saitama Realty is coming soon. Be sure to go to the Saitama Realty Twitter page. Now go over here. Here we are at the Saitama Realty. A new token in Saitama ecosystem taking real-world real estate to the Web3 availability. Saitama soon, white pages. So right here, the Saitama Realty powered by Saitama. And they're pleased to announce that they believe that this is going live on Tuesday, March 1st on Saitama Mass. So that's pretty cool here, everybody. So the Saitama Realty is going to be going live. Now, the coin's being down right this second. With all these different improvements, you figure things could actually keep going. Again, remember their mission is to train, to teach the youth about finance. And most of the youth don't feel like they're actually knowing about finance. So Saitama has actually got a good mission right there. So don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. That's right. All right, let's go ahead and head over to side hustles that you can make $1,000 on after your job. So this one's pretty interesting. All right, over here at Insiders, It says, I'm always looking for new side hustles, and I found 4 that I can do after work that earns around $1,000 a week. All right, so this is by Jen. She's like, I've started to feel like I wasted a lot of time at night, and I wanted to do some single gigs, side gigs after work. I found 4 side hustles that can be done after work and might earn around $1,000 a week. All right, so here they are. During the pandemic, I started realizing I was wasting a lot of time at night. I didn't have events or dinners or friends to look forward to seeing after work, so I started spending so much time, quality time on my couch with my remote. I started to realize countless hours and spending every night watching TV. So then I figured out maybe I should earn some extra cash. So she started to wonder about the side hustles that were out there. So here's what she's come up with. Number 1. Voice over audiobook narration. Okay, if you like the sound of your own voice, you should absolutely get paid to use it. That's where voice over the audiobook narration work can come in handy at nighttime side hustle. Wow. As a podcast host for more than 4 years, this seems like an obvious gig for me to try. When I looked into it more, I found out that by setting up a profile on sites like voice.com, ACA, and recording on audio clips, reading the pages of books, and pretended a narrating commercial was all I needed to do to start booking the job. You can earn $300 for a 3-hour audiobook narration session. And if you book your weeknights doing this, you can net over $1,000 a week. Not bad, not bad. While voiceover work can pay vary according to voices.com, a trained voice actor can make up to $10,000 for a single national TV commercial. There you go. So number 1 is voice over an audiobook narration. Sounds like pretty interesting. Become a notary loan signing agent. One side hustle I learned through a friend in the real estate world is to become a notary signing agent. This involves being trained to handle the notary loan documentation. Their primary job is to sit with borrowers and make sure the real estate loan documents are prepared, executed, notarized, and return processing on time. Since the borrowers have jobs during the day, they're often looking for notary signings agents with availability to work on night or on the weekends. So how much does this job pay? Well, loan signing agents can get paid anywhere between $75 to $125 a signing appointment. If you were to do 2 appointments after work, 5 days a week, you could potentially earn $1,000. After becoming a notary signer agent, you can then create profiles on websites, signingagent.com, book jobs, and availability. All right, so that's not too bad. So number 2 is loan signing agent. Number 3, online tutoring. If someone who has a passion about certain subjects enjoys teaching others, put your skills to use on the online tutoring. The average rate is around $22 to $25 an hour, and you find 40 posts a week to earn $1,000 a week. Not bad. And number 4, create an online course. If you don't want to spend 40 hours a week doing live tutoring, another way to monetize your expertise is by creating and selling an online course. You can take a subject on topic that you're knowledgeable about, create lesson plans, record videos, upload it to the course hosting platform, Skillshare. This option is especially great if you're looking to make passive income. Number 4 could actually be pretty good for people, passive income. We like that. Once the course is created, you might want to spend 10 to 15 hours a week on marketing through a social media, email, partnerships, blogging, getting people to purchase it. If you purchase a course at $99, it would take you 11 sales to earn $1,000 a week. All right, so there's Jen, and she's basically got 4 side hustles that can make $1,000 a week. Not too bad. Some of those, give us your comments in the bottom. Did you like any of them? Being a loan document signer is not bad. Being a narrator is not bad. I mean, give us your thoughts. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Let's head back over to Saitama. All right, it's Saitama here, fostering the future of finance. Welcome to Saitama, a community-driven platform promoting financial well-being by empowering people of ages and cultures to be in control of their money and create their own wealth opportunities. The Saitama token is our medium. It was built on the Ethereum blockchain, ERC20, with smart codes that make it safe to invest and beneficial to hold. One of my favorites right here.
Welcome to Saitama Inu. We are a global community of committed individuals, building a platform that will help people understand money and create their own wealth opportunities. We come from different places. We speak different languages. We have different codes, but we share the same dream. We believe in a world bound together by human connection. And we foster this vision by building financial tools and a content publishing ecosystem that will make financial well-being accessible to people of different cultures, ages, and economic status. Start seeing returns today by investing in tomorrow. Join us at Saitama Inu.
All right there on the website. Here's their mission: to educate the next generation of investors and make financial well-being accessible to all. Although digital currencies have been around for over a decade, we're still at the early stages of revolutionizing that will reorganize our society, redistributing wealth and giving anyone a chance to attain financial freedom. The bulk of the next generation of investors is yet to join, but for the global decentralized finance to become a reality, they will need to not only to overcome technology hurdles, but simply understand how money works. This is where Saitama comes in, providing tools and content make people comfortable with money while they invest, opening unprecedented opportunities for wealth creation. So Saitama, that's fantastic. My hat goes off to you. You guys are doing a fantastic job. All right, what's our price prediction over here at CoinMarketCap? Again, it's down about 20%. My prediction is to keep an eye on it. It's probably going to bounce back. I don't know how much. All our information is for educational purposes only, but they got a lot of good things going on right now. I mean, Saitama Realty is getting ready to launch in a little bit at the beginning of the month. That's fantastic. They're teaching the youth. This is a long-term play, not a get right up the 1 minute kind of thing. So that, they got a great mission statement. Their merchandise, I kind of like the wearing the actual hoodies and getting the different coffee cups and all those things. If you're doing the Saitama and you're buying the coins and they're teaching you about finance, yeah, you should be proud and wear your stuff. We're all friends here. Get some Saitama hoodies. I like it. All right, Frank's Crypto Corner here. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Click over here so you can basically learn about 365% on your initial investment with Drip Network, 1% a day, every single day, 365%. All right, everybody. Thanks for tuning in to Frank's Crypto Corner. We'll see you a little bit later. All the information is for educational purposes, and thanks for tuning in.